Good morning. I'm Mr. Paul Michael Bunyo, and I'm here from St. Francis Xavier, and I'm here to represent our group, which is composed of Mr. Matthew Avellaneda, Michael Angel, Renza Avellaneda, Ral Balana, Alejandro Barosa, Bart Batalla, Richard Calamanan, John Nino Kawili, and Mr. Ivan Casasola. Well, I believe that, and our group believes that there are certain skills needed in effective speaking. The first one is the voice. We must always possess a loud voice so that our listeners would not get bored or tire out of listening on us. Um, the second one is we should watch on how we pronounce words. It is because we must not pronounce words on a wrong way so that we may not mislead our listeners to wrong information. And the last one is that we must always possess the ability to attract our listeners so that we may deliver our information to them as easily as possible. So, as we summarize it, we must first possess a loud voice. Second is the way on how we pronounce words. And the third one is the ability to attract our listeners.